Hey guys, so today I wanted to film a super cute, quick, it's not really an unboxing because it didn't come in a box, but a review of a Disney cup that I decided to pick up from the Disney store. And I decided to start a new tradition where every year for my birthday I get a new Disney cup, so I thought it'd be like super cute. And this is a cup that I decided to pick up for my birthday this year. So this is the chip mug, the chip mug from Beauty and the Beast, and I just think it's so beautiful. This is, I guess, the detail on the bottom, and the craftsmanship on this is just so beautiful. And this is it from this side, and it's a pretty big cup, and in case you want to see any of this stuff. And this is what the bottom looks like. This was $19.99. I just thought it was the cutest cup that they had. And it has like this really cute chip detail. So I did notice that this cup was one of the most popular mugs that they had on their website, because I did do reviews about a couple of the mugs that I thought about getting, but I just thought ultimately like this is just such a beautiful like decor piece as well, and that's why I decided to pick it up. The one thing that I will say about this cup or mug is that like when you hold it, it feels a little bit clunky, in the sense that it kind of feels like it doesn't feel as smooth as some of the other cups. Which, I mean, to me, that's fine. I think that's just like the design and the way that they meant to design the cup. But that's fine to me, because I just think the decor of it is just so beautiful. And I just love like this gold accents and everything. So yeah, so ultimately I'm so excited to begin using this cup, put it in my cabinet, and yeah, I just kind of wanted to do a live video to kind of show you guys what the cup looks like on video. My dog is going crazy. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.